Good morning and welcome back to a new video. In this episode, we're building again thanks to the help of Master Gatto. He doesn't seem very prepared, but we have plenty of scrap metal here and are about to build structures from iron for our friends at Bikeflip because they put on the show and we're making the new ramps for their show. My blacksmith, Danny Rowe, will arrive soon so we can start. Hello, coming to you straight from Podere Cetin, the most talked about farmstead in Tuscany. All right, today we'll start with some small ramps, little things they need during the show to move around here and there. To do front and back, mini flips, stuff like that. I'm drawing the hand that I printed wrong. I printed it vertically instead of horizontally. Fantastic. Anyway, very simple. Few tubes, a lot of work over time. And yeah, I print all of them like this. Thank you all. After several hours of work, here is today's first creation, the mini ramp for the mini flip. Let's see Danny show it to us as it's being opened. Amazing, cool, portable, just missing the panel. We'll do it later, because that's a more boring job. All right, let's move on to the second one. There's another one. So, after a night of freezing wind, we're back here in the cold. Today it's minus 500 degrees for the special events series. After building the first frame of the quarter, it ended up being out of square by 2 centimeters. So we have to get creative, pull out a strap to pull everything together. The whole thing, it works. After another 8 hours of the crappy work, our heroes completed 4 frames. Well, 3 frames plus 1 more. This one is too heavy, this one here. We discovered some problems caused by the bent pipes, which we'll try to solve with alternatives in the next few days. So today I'm taking it slow. Anything to say, Engineer Rao? I have back pain. Don't become a welder. Thank you all. I forget that we still have some landing parts left. We're in good shape. We've already done 3 here. Today, Mr. G Sport came to help out. A professional painter. Anything to say to our heroes from home? The nice part is I can do a lousy job, but you can't tell on this color. So top gray hides everything. You know, I know some people who, even when painting gray, manage to do a crappy job. It's incredible. After 3 days making frames, we ended up with a graveyard. Frames everywhere. Good old G Sport painted nearly all of them for us. De Niro is there finishing up the last little thing. We even put on some music to speed things up, and soon we'll start assembling the box, which is the hardest part of all the structures. So let's go straight over my head and get started. And 2. Now it's starting to take a sensible shape. Last night we ended up in the dim light again, and this is the result. We assembled the whole box, and this morning we picked up the cut shapes of the ramp. We're starting to work on them. It's fantastic. Danny Rowe will explain how we assemble the ramps. Step 1. Feel very cold. Do it, especially when there are adverse weather conditions. Step 2. Get help from your friend. Grab the welder. Lower your helmet and weld. Step 3. Tease your friend for doing these things in bad weather. It's not my fault. Diego Caverzasi. First, we combine the curves here, or else it gets messed up. These 2 curves need to be joined with big bolts, which makes it messy. We installed all the crossbars, and we're almost finished. They're now welded on one side. 21.5 Missurina, here we are. And now good Danny is welding. Top performance, did you see? Okay, we finished tacking the ramp for the box. Fantastic, which will then be installed over there on credit. Finally, after 5 days, we're starting to set up some ramps. This is the quarter. Yesterday we worked hard and welded everything here Sunday morning, then started today at -4, and it's finally taking its final shape. But the party is raging at the G-Sporters, and after days of work in the cold and the freezing weather, we're close to zero. Today, the incredible panels that are also needed for the skate park arrived here. And then we parked the Bikeflip van here because now we have to build the starting roll-in. It will be a quarter wall, a really cool one. Let's go up on the roof of the Bikeflip van to see what's happening. There's Danny Rowe. Hey guys, who's playing with his new frame for the door pack, the shiny one. There's the problem. Now, to deliver the bikes sold by Bikeflip, they bring them straight to your house with the van. There are several methods, but we need to use the one that's fastest, safest, and easiest to do. Tape is the best way. A bit of double-sided tape, and that's it. Come on. So we've been racking our brains for 2 days trying to figure out whether to use these support rails or these hooks, because the hooks end here. We'll have to finalize it. It's a bit of a mess. It's kind of a mess. We'll have to drill into the roof, that's for sure. Yeah, we're definitely making some holes. Hey, G-Sport, why did you leave? This was your job. Now we actually have to paint ourselves. I wanted Gino to handle everything, but he left. Now we still have all these curves, other pieces, and touch-ups to finish. What a mess. Today it's our friend Teto's turn, because here's the starting platform. So we're ready. Engineer, I'm going with the hole. You're going, I'm proceeding. No, Madonna, that was quick. Go, good. So I'll do them all. Bit of silicone. This will do a nice job. It's time to bring out the heavy artillery. Anyway, here's Makita. Whenever they want to sponsor us, we're ready to welcome them. What a treat. What a great job. Wow, the new panels, everything looks so much better. So after this other day, Danny Rowe has decided to leave me. Tonight, he's leaving to avoid the paneling, but guys, we're going to make him do it anyway. One piece, the 2 mini ramps, one of which is already done. Damn, and the honor goes to her. Go ahead. Yes, from here. And that's how it ends. Another incredible day. Ops is dirty. Another incredible day of building ramps. Incredibly crooked. Incredible. But that's not true. Let's not tell Andrea. Everything is fine. And finally today, after 12 days of welding, we finally reached the most satisfying part, which is the paneling. So take the ramps from this. Yes. To this. So first of all, let's put up a nice fresh new panel. Let's drill 2 holes and add 2 screws. These ones here that will hold it in place. Same over here. All right, now clamps. Okay, we need a long beam, then we have to manage to slide it under these beautiful clamps. Okay, we're about to do it, and now we press the panel in. So fantastic. Here, now let's pull another little beam. Maybe we need to close the gap here. And then VT day, a day to fix the last things. And we'll still need to panel him. Here we go, the bending days are ready. Here we are with the half load after weeks of pure work, ready to earn the package. Here are the details. There I am. Oh, good morning. So here we are. Here is our client. Are you already satisfied? You haven't even seen the finished product. Look at this amazing arrangement. Get ready. It's a dream.
What a scent of skate music. Before, it took about 18 people just to lift a ramp. Music. Just revolutionized the market and the world of style shows in Italy and all over Europe. Behind me, you can see our setup almost finished. Of course, the flags and all the decorations are still missing. Let's test this setup.
We deliver the flawed package to Mr. Mangillo and he'll handle it. I accept the hand. Great.
I gave you cookies earlier as payment.